Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at Powers of the Mind. This is Series 4 expansion for Galactic Empires card game. So I've got a full box here. We're going to open a couple packs and see what we've got. It does have foil on the front, so that intrigues me because I do love me some foils. This box has, I believe, 36 packs. Doesn't say. Yeah, 36 packs. And this was the 4th expansion. I believe there were 7 total, as I've come to realize. So this one was one of the harder ones to find. This and Persona and Piracy were probably the 3 hardest ones to find. I think they had low print runs. But I got lucky and found a full sealed box. So let's open this up and make everyone else's more valuable. And see what we've got inside this Galactic Empires expansion. Alrighty. We'll do 4 of them here. Each one has 12 cards. As you can see, they are kind of a sand colored, like yellow and tan. And there's 152 cards in the expansion according to this, and 12 cards per pack. So let's look at 4 of these and see what kind of cards we get. These are from 1995 by Companion Games out of New York. And this game had a real strong following. I had stopped playing by the time this one had come out because I couldn't find anyone to play with. But I liked this game. I thought it was fun. A lot of people thought it was fun for a while. It had a real weird cult following, but it was consistently, I thought, pretty fun game. Because for sci-fi from the 90s, you really couldn't get that many good games. Alright, first we have a T5 planet. A Visonic Ruins, a Psychotic Sludge, Psychonti Occultist, a Visionic Interference, a Corporeal Field, Filarian Infestor. You got something on your head. Psychontic Practitioner. Atmospheric Evasion. Personal Base. Terran Attack Shuttle. And lastly, a Psi Enchantrix. As you can see, the cards are kind of laid out like old Magic cards are, with the art box and the flavor text. Some of them have more variation on the colors on the base of the card, which was pretty cool at the time. But yeah, it's the card quality on these is definitely better than on some of the early sets that they had. These are more like baseball card, trading card games standard, as opposed to some of the cheaper cards they had in the initial run of the game. So I enjoyed that quite a bit. I thought that was a big improvement. But for 22-year-old cards, they've really held up well. Alright, second pack. We've got a Psi Training. We've got Material Evil. Ooh. We've got a Psychonti Protection Station, a T4 planet with chakras, Psi Moon, Mind Guard, Psychonti Pledge, Psi Disease, Lesser Healing Field. That's pretty cool. Infestation Inhibitor, Psychotic Sludge, and then Exploration Mission. So that's our second pack. Let's look at our third pack. Alright, we have a Breached City, a Valerian Infester, a Field of Channeling, a Dragon Muzzle, Scroll of Viscarius, Visonic Muse, a Plasma Vortex, Psi Disease, Lesser Healing Field, Infestation Inhibitor, that looks painful, Visonic Apprentice, and lastly, a Visonic Paladin. So pretty good cards there. That's our third deck. Let's flip these over and get to our fourth pack here. Alright, first we've got a Psi Responder, a Psi Seduction, a CFO, a T5 Planet, a Lesser Healing Field, and an Infestation Inhibitor, Visonic Apprentice, Stupefy, a Temporal Field, a Psi Moon, a Mind Guard, and lastly, a Central Galactic Bank. So pretty interesting cards. That's 4 packs of Galactic Empires, Powers of the Mind, booster packs. As I said, they do have a very specific look to the packs. These are from '95, so they are fairly hard to find. They were fairly hard to find at the time, but you could find these online. I've seen the packs go for as much as $5 or $6 each. But usually you can, if you're willing to invest a little bit more money, you can get the box at a much discounted rate. So if you're into Galactic Empires, this is a great set to have. It really expands the game out quite a bit. Maybe in the future we'll open some more packs, but for today, that's going to do it for this episode. As always, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time on What's Inside.